If your car, your pickup, your RV, caravan, your boat, or any other vehicle won't start anymore, this video will show you how you can revive your 12-volt lead-acid batteries using our Optimate 5, our Optimate 6, or our Optimate 7 series chargers. These chargers all have, and we're using an Optimate 7 Select Gold series as an example, a save icon. Now, this save icon is a specially made program that can bring back deeply discharged or even sulfated dead batteries from down as low as 0.5 volts. Now, here's a top tip. If your 12-volt lead-acid battery is too weak to start your engine, always take it out of the vehicle. Why? Because if you then connect it to your charger, the save program can work at its maximum power. If you leave your battery connected in your vehicle, the save program will be limited not to harm any of your vehicle's electronics, but that might not be enough to save your battery. So, as we did here, take it out of the vehicle, do a physical inspection for damage, and if that's all good, the only thing you need to do is take your clips, red cable onto the positive terminal, black cable onto the negative terminal, and you connect your charger. Now, the charger will test the battery, and as you see here, the red save icon is lighting. So this battery needs saving. For us, nothing left to do but to sit back and wait until the charger has done its job. So we're back. Charger has been on the battery for 24 hours, and it is now indicating a double green status. This means that this battery is now ready to go and to be rebuilt back into the car. The only thing you need to do is disconnect it, put away your cables, and build it back in.
Yes!
With the battery saved, it is now important that you keep your charge level inside of your 12-volt lead-acid battery as high as possible. And that is why all Optimates have a fully automatic 24/7 maintenance program that you can keep on connected to your battery for as long as you want. So whenever you don't use the vehicle, or when it's winter, connect your charger, you will always be ready to go. Bye-bye.